Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. In this video, we're doing another house tour. This is actually a town home. It is approximately 1,539 square feet. The price range is $182,000. When you first walk into the main entrance of the home, there is a half a bath right here on the right hand side. Now, as we tour the lower level, I'm moving kind of quickly because there are like a lot of people coming in and out. So I was just trying to hurry up and, I didn't want to put too many faces on the camera, but this is just an overview of the bottom level and also just a glimpse of the backyard. As you've seen, I think I really like the actual gray cabinets in this home. I think that is so very nice, and the stainless steel appliances, of course. But of course, as we enter into the very top level of the home, what really captured my eye, of course, were the floors. I am in love with hardwood floors. Now, I also inquired about having hardwood floors throughout the top level as well, because it is on the bottom level, and the sales agent was just telling me I would basically have to pay more money if I wanted to get hardwood floors throughout the top level. Now, I love this little loft slash seating area. I think it's so very nice and quaint. Again, like I said, this home is just very quaint in my opinion. Now, as we enter into the master bedroom, here on the right hand side is the master closet, which I think is kind of full. I was so in awe, you guys. That's another reason why the camera is moving so quickly. I was such in awe. I was like, oh, everything is so pretty. Hi. Everything just seems so nice. So again, like I said, this is the master bedroom, and then when you walk into the master bathroom, I like the way they have two sinks and it's not the double sink side by side. I like the way they set this up. I thought that was very nice, and it seemed like it was a little bit, you save more space as well. Now, the thing about the master bedroom here, they do not have a bathtub. It's actually a nice walk-in shower, but it's not a bathtub in here, which is, that's fine. I'm a shower person anyway. And then so they have a toilet right there, and then they have a laundry room door in here. A laundry closet as well, nice size. So, but I really like the bathroom. I like the way they have it set up. I like that. So, and this is like another view from this angle of the master bedroom. I think it's so nice. So we're gonna move right along. And right here is a laundry closet, and then the laundry room. It's a nice size laundry closet. The laundry, I think it comes with a washer and dryer, so that would be a good plus too. Okay, here is like the second bedroom. Now, this bedroom is so cute and it's so decorated so nicely, but for me, it seems to be a little bit on the small side, so I wasn't really too thrilled about this particular size of the bedroom. If you were looking for maybe if you're not looking for like an actual 3-bedroom, this would be like, of course, like a nice office space, or if you want to make it to a beauty room, or even possibly like a studio or something like that. This is a nice size for that. And this bathroom is an actual full bathroom, and it does come with a tub. So this is the full bathroom. And then now moving on to the actual 3rd bedroom. Now, this is a nice size bedroom in my opinion. I think it's really a good size bedroom. That's a closet right there. Yeah, that's a closet right there. So yeah, so overall, I really think this is a very nice, cute home. It doesn't have a whole lot of like extra space to me. Like if you want like extra rooms to go to and just lounge and chill, it doesn't really have like a family room. It's more of the traditional style, if in my opinion. The bedrooms at the top, and then you do have the loft seating area, which is quaint, but I think it's a really cute townhouse. So you guys, I'm gonna continue to keep looking, and I hope you guys like this house tour. So please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.